So yeah, I wasn't gonna record today. One, because my life is trash. My truck is trash. I haven't showered. My hair ain't done. It's very hectic right now, but I'ma still record because this channel is called Every Bit of Breed. So I can't give you some of it. I gotta give you every bit of it. So all my loads have been canceled for the day because of this storm that's happening. It's supposed to be a polar, they calling it a polar express. Sometimes they call it, I don't know, they calling it a polar express this time, but I think last year it was called a polar vortex. I don't know, but it's supposed to be in the negatives today. If you can see, it's getting there. It's supposed to be in the negatives today, and it is supposed to snow, and then tonight it's supposed to get down to negative 10 degrees. Negative 10 degrees. Okay, but nevertheless, I have errands to run. It's already starting to snow a little bit, so I'm about to try to get that done real fast. My cat needs some things. I gotta show y'all his coat.
I really can't stay.
Baby, it's cold outside.
He's so cute, but he needs some things, and when it come down to Bubby, rain, sleet, or snow, he gonna have what he need. So I need to go to Walmart. I need to do some things to fix my wig because I refuse to look like this on Christmas. I need to get some gas so I can get a shower, and I think I just need to go to my car and start it because it's like getting real cold. So I'm gonna bring you along with me to run these errands today. Really love my cat, like really I got distracted. Spent entirely too much money. I almost just failed. In Walmart, I did buy myself a treat, but I'll show you later. Y'all, it's coming down. Everybody is like hustling and rushing, trying to get to where they going. It's getting crazy. Y'all see it? Look how frozen the lake is. You can like see the snow moving across it. I'm here. I'll show you the front. I'm at my car. I'm not gonna show my whole car out here because y'all be plotting. Just you get that much. I'm in my car, and do y'all see it? Do y'all see how it's blowing? Like, can you see it? Crazy. But I'm in my car. I just gotta start my car, make sure it's gonna be good for tomorrow. The temperatures are supposed to drop like crazy. I got enough gas in it. But the temperatures are like really supposed to drop. And also, my trunk acts as my closet. And I'm gonna get a hat and scarf and gloves and some boots. So, gotta do that. Now I'm about to add my anti-gel in. My gas doesn't freeze. I gotta do one more. For anti-gel. Oh shit, I like missed it. It's gonna be below negative 10 degrees. You gotta add 2. And it's supposed to get down there today. And this shit stinks, so don't do it. And yo, you know, nice coat like I did. Yeah. I just really gotta use the bathroom. It's a blizzard. It's a whole blizzard. And it's 6 degrees. 6. I gotta put on boots, a coat, a scarf, hat, the whole 9 to go use. Just want to use it. Yeah, I couldn't find my real scarf. This that other scarf. This would look like outside. It's not doing it justice. Do y'all see all the blowing, the snow? Y'all see it? But I forgot that I didn't have any Swiffer pads. Please do not talk about me. I know. I went and I got myself a gift. I've been wanting one of these candles, y'all. I've been wanting this candle. 5 ever. It's the wick one. Look at that wick. Look at that wick. I'm so excited. So it's gonna sound the comforting crackle of a fireplace. I'm excited. I'm gonna indulge my senses, just like it say. I'm excited. I am beyond excited. I'm thirsty.